Hey, welcome to Truck U. Today we are bright and early running around town doing a little test drive for the project we've got going this week. We're riding around in this nice 2500 Ram.
The cool thing about this dude is he's handy, dude. Like, he lives on a farm, and he's always tinkering out at the farm. And I don't know how much spare time he has. He wants to do something now with like a mobile mechanic thing on the side. You know, I like toppers. I always have. Even the old school ones that were around years and years ago, I always liked them. And the whole topper game has changed. The one on this truck is absolutely beautiful. It looks like it came from the factory, but it didn't.
Yeah, but, you know, with that being said, we actually had somebody install this for us professionally. So the topper is on. Now it's about trying to organize and set it up for his mobile mechanic new gig he's got. And this is going to be really cool. Everything he's going to need to take care of just about any job out on the road is going to be sitting right behind him. Let's get this thing back to the shop. There's a couple of things we want to check on this before we send him out on the road.
But the Cuban sandwich place is like right there.
All right, we'll get a sandwich. Sold.
So now that we've got the truck back in the shop, we can take a closer look at the topper we've been talking about, because this thing is awesome. This is the Sierra Extra Top from Ranch Fiberglass. And let's just start taking a look at all the different options on this, right? It starts on the side. You've got the accessible panels with the heavy-duty handles. They're lockable for security. Inside, it's got a carpeted headliner, LED lighting throughout the whole thing. You can keep an eye on things. Back here on the back door, super heavy-duty. Again, good strong handles. You can lock everything and secure it down. There's even a rain channel across the top to keep the elements out.
You talk about that back door, you know, look at the skirt on it. I mean, the little details really make this thing to the next level and make it look like it's a custom cap, because it really is. You know, It's designed to match the contour which you have with the back tailgate, so it looks seamless. The most important is the paint. Look at the finish on this topper. It is meticulously been done to match your vehicle exactly, so it looks like it was made with the vehicle and it came this way off the showroom floor.
And if this is not enough storage, on this particular one, we put the Rhino Rack up on top. So, but like you said, this is customizable, right? So when you get one of these from Ranch Fiberglass, you can configure the panels and the doors however you want to, from side to side and front to back, and you can make it unique to whatever you need, which is exactly what we did for our buddy with this particular truck. Now what we need to do is get him outfitted with some tools.
Yeah, we gotta start filling it up.
That's right. It's the fun part.